Okay, so by the end of this week, and this assignment is going to be due on Tuesday. It is just sort of an extension. It's really short, but I wanted to stick to just naming compounds and covalent, ionic and covalent compounds without throwing this in. These are polyatomic ions, and I have a video. The instructional video explains what those are and um, how they apply. So if you followed, sort of the part one, this shouldn't be too bad. If you run into any confusion, again, just jump in office hours. So all I'm asking you to do is read through the document and give me the answers to this problem. Okay, so you're going to give me the names of two compounds that I asked for and write two chemical formula to go with it, and that's it. Um, if you found the process of writing the resource for the first part of this week's assignment useful, certainly go ahead and expand the resource to include this stuff, but it's not going to be part of your grade because this is more of an extension to it. And I also want to move on next week and get into some chemical reaction stuff. So now that we've covered naming, we're ready for that. As always, office hours 11 to 1. I will hopefully have grading all up to date by the end of this week, so that you guys can see where you stand with everything. And just reach out to me if you're struggling to get assignments in. Um, and that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying the last few weeks we have left of school, and hopefully I'll hear from you guys soon.